Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to make bootable pen drive using Ubuntu. So first of all I simply search here disk and open this option disk. I already insert my 16 GB pen drive here. So first of all select this I select my pen drive option, and then after click here and choose the restore disk images, and then after choose your ISO file from your folder. So right now I have one ISO file in my downloads folder, so I will click choose this ISO file and simply start restoring and restore. Then after my system will was ask me sudo password. So I simply type here my user sudo password and click on authenticate, and look at the guys, here is our restoring disk imaging process was starting. When it will be finished, then your pen drive was bootable successfully. Thank you guys.